In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and set up a WordPress site using HostGator's cPanel. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we'll need to open Chrome or any web browser of your choice and log into your HostGator cPanel account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your main control hub for website management. Now, this part might seem a little overwhelming if you're new to it, but don't worry, just take it step by step. Our goal here is to locate the File Manager feature, which is under the Files section. Click on it, and it will help us manage the files that are crucial to getting your WordPress site up and running. With the File Manager open, you'll notice a directory tree on the left. Here, you're going to navigate to a folder named Public. This is a significant area because it's essentially the root directory where your website files live. Think of public HTML as the front entrance to your website that users interact with. Once inside the public HTML directory, we need to prepare for the arrival of your WordPress files. Look for the Upload button, usually located at the top of this interface. With a simple click on this button, you'll be prompted to select the WordPress files you wish to upload. These could either be in a zip file format or already extracted. If they're zipped, no worries, just upload the zipped file. After the upload is complete, and if you uploaded a zipped file, you'll need to extract its contents right here in the public/HTML folder. This will place all the necessary WordPress files in the correct locations, making them accessible for the next stages of installation. Now that our files are in place, we need to move on to database creation, which is a critical step for WordPress to function properly. Navigate back to cPanel's main page and find MySQL databases in the database section. Here you'll create a new database, just give it a name that you'll remember. Alongside, ensure you also create a new user and password and then associate this user with the database. Make sure to take note of these details as they will be needed shortly. Next, let's configure the WordPress files to connect with the new database. Within the public HTML folder, locate a file named wp-config.php. Open this up for editing. Here, you'll input the database name, username, and password you just created. This step is crucial as it links your WordPress site to the database you've set up. Finally, it's time to visit your domain. Type your domain into the browser and you'll be directed to the WordPress setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions